Welcome back, everyone. If you checked out the earlier video, it kind of gave an introduction to the idea of Creation Images website and some basics of navigation and ordering prints. In this video, I'd like to show you how to order cards. It is the holiday season, and again, we're going to be doing our promo with greeting cards or Christmas cards. And giving you those cards at price or at our cost through Bay Photos. They're a professional photo lab. And if you order between now and the end of the year, you won't be charged anything extra other than what Bay Photo charges. So here's our Christmas photo gallery. Lots of photos that kind of have a Christmas theme to them, including some kind of fun photos with animals with little Christmas hats and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a photo here that I'm going to add to a card. Let's pick this snowy sunrise scene. I like this one. And as you can see, when we get through this a little bit farther, it's not going to matter so much now which picture you choose. So I'm going to click on Buy Photo. Over here at Greeting Cards, there's a variety. Actually, there's a lot of cards to choose from, way too many. Makes it a little complicated, which is why I wanted to share with you today. Again, here's a lot of different designs for your greeting card. I would recommend going as simple as you possibly can for the landscape photos. If you're doing something with your family, a little more complicated cards or design features are fun to do. But for the landscape photos, you want to try to keep it as simple as you can. One that I liked a lot here is this Christmas Spirit. Very simple card. And go ahead and click on Christmas Spirit here. And then it's going to give you the option of selecting a lot more photos. The design supports up to 5 photos. We won't use that many. But at this point, you can choose the photos that you want to put into that card. So we do have the snowy sunrise. And I love this cathedral spires photo as well. So is there anything else? We could try the snowy branches. We'll just stick with those 3. Click on Let's Go, and it's going to bring you to the design template. And this is where a lot of the fun comes. There's a lot of things that you can do with this card. It starts out with 3 different steps. So you've got the front of the card that you're going to design, the back of the card, and then the envelope choices. And then you can review at the end. So right now it's 97 cents per card. As we add things and change things, that might change up a little bit. So I'm going to grab this photo and put it on the front of the card. We got our snowy sunrise and all these gold little flecks here. Those are the uplifting sparkles. You can do a snowflake border, all these different foil choices. I'm going to click on None and just keep it as simple as I can. We can also customize the text here at the bottom. I like the Merry Christmas, but let's see if we could change that font to something a little more dramatic. Uh-oh, I didn't select the whole thing. So let's select the whole thing, if I can. Oh, this is no good. Select all of the text. All right, we're just going to leave it at that for this point. To you and yours. I like that, but let's go ahead and make that a little bit larger as well. So all this stuff is customizable. You could change that to something different, say something different. Click on the check mark. And then we're going to go to step 2, which is designing the back of the card. I'm going to pull in this photo here. And as you can see, this photo isn't as good as it could be because it seems like it's cropping a lot. We'd edit it and pull down, see if we can get a little bit more of the branches in there. I like that. I like that. And I actually like it with that maroon background as well. Some other ideas, if I wanted to try this one, I could pull my cathedral spires in there and replace it. Oh, I like that one better. What I don't like with that is that red background. So we have different colors here that we can choose from. If we go with the, go with the navy, it looks a lot better. This says, may your holiday be filled with light. Let's change that and say, may your holiday be filled with mountains. Love that. And hugs and kisses the Muffler family. I'm not the Muffler family, so I'm going to change that and say from Our family to yours. Exclamation mark. Oop, yours. Put an S in there. From our family to yours, click on the check mark. And now I've got my back of the card design. And then I can also choose from the different shapes. So we can have some interesting, yeah, no thank you. How about just with the corners cropped off there, rounded corners like that. And then we'll go ahead and go to the third choice, which is the envelope. You can choose different colors, or you can just go with plain white. I understand that the Postal Service is having difficulty with some of these darker colors, so I'm just going to go with plain white. It's going to be a little cheaper that way. You can also print your return address on there for an extra 20 cents per card. I'm going to skip that at this point. Click on review, and then it's going to give me some different choices for papers. The soft touch matte is just incredible. So for an extra 86 cents, I'm going to go ahead and choose that as an extra 86 cents for the whole order. And as you can see here in our review section, there's 25 cards in this initial order. That's the minimum. If you click on here, you can order more than 25, but 25 is the minimum card order that you can get, and they'll all be the same cards. So if you like that card and you're pleased with it, you're ready to move on, go ahead and click on checkout. It's going to create your proof. And something I was going to show you as we get after the proofing here in the shopping cart here is the opportunity for you to be able to go back on any of these things. So if you wanted to change the crop on either of these photos, you can edit that before you order it, or if you wanted to change the paper type, you can change that here on finishing options. And then the greeting cards as well, you can edit that greeting card if you wanted to add some of those foil effects to the front of the card or something before you clicked on begin checkout. And once you do that, it'll be just like any other order. So I hope you are able to explore the website and order some cards and have some success with ordering cards if you're interested in that. But more than anything, again, I'm just excited about the opportunity to share my photography and God's creation with you. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time.